GitHub Actions is GitHub's built-in automation and CI/CD platform. It lets you write workflows, automation scripts, that run automatically when certain events happen in your repository, like pushing code, opening a pull request, or creating a release. In simple terms, it's like having a little robot inside your GitHub repo that can test, build, and deploy your code without you manually doing those steps. Key points about GitHub Actions. 1. Event-driven. Workflows run when something happens. For example, if code is pushed, a pull request is created, merged, a schedule triggers it, cron job, a manual trigger, workflow dispatch. 2. Workflow files. Stored in GitHub Workflows directory in your repo, written in YAML, define jobs and steps. 3. Jobs and steps. Job is a set of steps that runs on a virtual machine, like Ubuntu, Windows, or Mac OS. Step is a single command or action. Example: install dependencies, run tests. 4. Reusable actions. You can use ready-made actions from the GitHub marketplace or write your own. 5. CI/CD support. Continuous integration. Run tests on every code change. Continuous deployment. Deploy to staging, production automatically in the above example. Run tests on every push. This will download your repo, install Node.js, install dependencies, and will run tests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.